Hey, what is brain health and how can you stay young and fit with healthy brain? What is the connection between brain and health? And how can you reverse your age or age-related symptoms by improving your brain health? So many questions, right? But don't worry, just stick with me in this video till the end, and today I'm going to discuss with you about very important topic, brain health, to stay young and fit and even reversing your age-related symptoms. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Babika. Today we are going to discuss about brain health and how it helps us to stay young and fit, preventing us from getting old or getting age-related symptoms or even reversing those symptoms after 40, 50, 60 or 65 years of age, which depends from person to person. We start seeing age-related symptoms. We all know that, right? But still, let me take a look on some age-related symptoms. The cognitive changes, physical changes or internal changes occurs in the body as our age increases or as we are getting older. In the cognitive changes, we see the symptoms like memory issues, mood swings, slower thinking process, or even increased anxiety or depressions. We see that our grandmas forgets things very easily, right? In the physical changes, we see the symptoms like joint pain and stiffness, muscles weakness, poor balance and coordination, dry wrinkles skin, or even hearing and vision issues. They start getting pain and even walking is difficult for them as they get old or as their age increases. Now in the internal changes, we see the symptoms like digestive issues, slower metabolism, sleep disturbance, or even weak immunity. We all know that all the symptoms can affect our daily life. We cannot enjoy or live the life normally. But don't worry, all the symptoms can be reversed or prevented by making your brain healthy. So let's understand it how. We all know that the brain is a control center of our body. As we age, the brain activity decreases across the whole surface of the brain. Some of the brain cells dies, which affects to overall health. The gray matter volume and cortical thickness of the brain reduces. Aging process differentially impacts the brain region and network across the cortex.
You can see these two different brain picture, right? The first one is a normal for the normal patient, right? And the second one you can see with the decreased the brain structure and is of a patient with Alzheimer's disease. So you can see how the brain structure changes with physical problems like physical diseases when the patient gets. This is how the structure changes.
According to Dr. Daniel G. Amen, MD, you can see this picture of 3 different brain SPECT scan of 3 types of different people, which I found from his book, Use Your Brain to Change Your Age. You can see this first brain SPECT scan, which looks normal, right? This normal brain scan is of healthy individual. You can see this second brain scan now. This looks like with decreased brain activity, right? You can see this looks different from the first brain scan. This brain scan is of patient who was struggling with diabetes, obesity, and also depression. Now you can see this third brain scan. This looks like a little better than the second one, right? Actually, the brain scan is also the same patient who of the second brain scan. But with this one, the patient worked for 3 months to make her brain healthy, and the scan taken after 3 months. So you can see the brain looks better than the second brain scan. So after the 3 months of program of making her brain healthy, you can see that the brain, like the structure of the brain is also improving. So based on this brain SPECT study, we can say that we are not stuck with the brain we have. We can make our brain better even if we have been bad to it. We can change our brain and we can change our life.
Look, she is Dan Friedman. She lived 103 years. She was a runner. She started running at 70 years of age. Her life goal was, don't ever let age be an excuse. It is just a number. You are as old as you think you are, and it's never too late to start something. She is alacrity. She passed away at the age of 101 years. She was active and self dependent in her whole life, including washing her clothes, helping in the kitchen, and reading the daily newspaper to stay mentally sharp. See this Padman Nair now. She lived for 100 years. She was also very active with her passion, painting and knitting in her whole life. She was also reading newspaper and magazines to update herself. Other than this, there are many other people who were active in their life with positive habits who lived healthy and long.
If we are not thoughtful how we live, countless bad decisions a person makes over a lifetime can influence a life in a negative way or influence our aging in a negative way. For example, bad diets, illegal drugs, sedentary lifestyles, environmental toxins, or high risk behaviors, or many other factors can contribute to our brain's early death. Working on good and healthy diet with consistent exercises and avoiding those bad decisions can improve the brain functions within 3 months as per the Use Your Brain to Change Your Age book. With this, enough sleep and staying mentally active is also important. A healthy diet like rich in omega-3s, antioxidants and whole grains such as Mediterranean or Mind diet have been proven to slow down the aging process by supporting the variety of brain functions and structures like neuronal health and survivals, nerve impulse and metabolic functions of the brain. On the other hand, exercises helps to increase the blood circulation in the brain, promotes the counts of new neurons, enhance the neuronal survival, resistance to brain injury, and helps to maintain the healthy brain structure. If you make smart decisions by your brain, you can slow down or even, in some cases, you can reverse the aging process. Good decisions like maintaining healthy weight, eating nutritious food, regular exercises, and being busy with learning new things can increase the chance of living longer, looking younger, decreasing the risk of getting dementia, and also it can boost your memory, mood, attention, and energy. Sometimes it's hard to follow, but once you start, everything in your life change in a positive way. How do we take care of some expensive things? Then think we are more expensive than those things, right? But then definitely we need to take care of ourselves with little love and respect. You will just have to spend some time to start your Smart Decisions program to follow and make it a part of your everyday life, and then you will see the benefits lifelong. This is how your healthy brain can help you to reverse your aging process. Brain aging is real, but you have more control than you think. By making the simple lifestyle changes, you can protect your brain, sharpen your memory, and stay mentally and physically strong for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give a like and comment below for your feedback. Subscribe to my channel to receive more helpful videos related to the health. Remember, your brain and also your body deserves the best. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and see you next time.